Okay, my babies, I got a review. I want to give you some random thoughts on something that's recently happened to me. I've got two filters here, both of them made by Katadyn, the BeFree filters. This is a 3 liter. This is a 0.6 liter. Even though I notice on their website now they're making a 1 liter one like this. Now I bought this one, the little 0.6 liter, as a day pack. When I would day hike, I usually bring water from home, and I'd always stick this in my pack just in case I had to filter some water. But anyway, I don't think I ever used it. I must have used it at least one time to check it out when I got it, but I did use the big one for a few times, so I don't even think I used this. But this last month I went on a collab hike to Cumberland Island. For some reason, I felt like I needed to bring a backup water filter. Even though it was 5 other YouTubers, they wouldn't have let me die. I didn't have to bring it, but I did bring that, and I also brought my BRS stove as a backup. Why I shouldn't have brought either one, but I'm glad I did. I finally decided to use this, so I filled it up, and it leaked out. It started squirting water out this corner, first time. And as you can see, the way it's made, this particular thing, and now I pulled this open more than what it was, but the way this is made here, you can kind of see this would be a weak spot. But anyway, I went and contacted the customer service at Katadyn and told them the situation. I've had it maybe 3 years, never used it, and when I did use it, it leaked. But anyway, they were so wonderful, they sent me free a new one. Now this one, if you notice, is made different. They must have had issues with the way that was manufactured, because see, now it's made a little different way. So I was pleased to get that, no charge, just sent it right to me. So they're wonderful customer service. Now, with that being said, let's go back to this 3 liter. I found out in my hikes that a 2 liter wasn't quite enough. I found myself going back to the creek to get more water the next morning. But the 3 liter one solved that problem. So I usually stick with a 3 liter. Now Mike P. Hiker, my brother-in-law, he uses this filter, and he bought a Canuck bag that has the big opening at the top for filling water. It's much easier than trying to fill it here. And why this stupid thing don't make sense, this little thing here don't make sense why that's there. You guys could either make it longer or discontinue it. Don't make sense. Now as far as a Sawyer, that's the go-to one for me, a Canuck bag in the Sawyer filter. It's a 28 millimeter thread, and the Sawyer bags, to me, they're useless. I cut them off, and see, I put a little circle there, and I use them as a scoop bag. There we go, scoop. That's all I find them good for. They just, the 28 millimeters, you just can't find a waterfall to put it under. But anyway, let's go back to this here. The other problem I got, Katadyn, is this cap, and I've heard other people complain about it. Now I've only used this maybe a half a dozen times, and already you can see this cap, half of it's already broke. See, I can almost, if I just twist it a little bit more, it's going to come off. Absolutely useless. Why would they make something like that? I don't know. I don't know why they do that. So we take that off, and fortunately, smart water bottle caps will fit. So that solves that problem. But you know, come on guys. The other thing is, and I don't know if they've modified it or not, but I saw where someone just whacked this off. This is just stupid to carry this full of water. It don't even make sense. Come on, Katadyn. But anyway, it's a nice company, just they need a little tweaking here and there, I think. Now, that's all I got to say about the BeFree water filter. So now we're going to get to the entertainment section of this video. And it will include Brad from As the Crow Flies Hiking, Andy from Metro on the Move, and Atypical Hiker Kevin. Ready? Hana, Dul, set! Katadyn, Katadyn, you're so fine, Katadyn.
Your BeFree water filter makes my water taste like wine.
Oh, and Katadyn, Katadyn, your customer service is divine.
Replacement water filter,
Didn't cost me a dime. Yeah!
was his idea, the whole thing.
That was great.
Thank you, thank you,
Oh,
thank you.
boy.
That ought to make them smile.
Got it flowing now, ready?
Okay. All right.
Hi, Hannah, Dul, set.
Katadyn, water filter is so. I keep.
No, you did it. You did it. You had it. You had it.
I thought it was.
Free. Hannah, Dul, set.
Katadyn.
You're so
You're
fun.
so.
Ah,
Messed
do
up.
it again.
Cut. Okay.
Do it again.
See,
Go again.
that's why I said you gotta practice.
Do it, Andy.
Katadyn, you're so fine. So Katadyn, you're so fine. Or something. So
Yeah, it seems like I'm.
You say you're so fine, Katadyn. So Katadyn, you're so fine, Katadyn.
That'll work.
That'll give you
That sounds like a
that'll get you the
complete
extra
bar
one.
there. Okay, because that.